Confused about affiliate marketing? Then read this information. Affiliate marketing is something that all webmasters should consider. It's never been easier to add affiliate links to your site. These come in all shapes and sizes too, so you can choose something that isn't too distracting. If you add decent videos to your site that relate somehow to the product or service, and post similar videos and comments on other websites and blogs, you can turn over a surprising amount of money. You don't even need to be a good writer. Many video writing services and software are now so affordable. Take a look at some more useful information on the subject in the following paragraphs. When creating links as part of an affiliate marketing program, pay attention to your underperforming links and videos. If after about 200 clicks you have not seen a single sale, remove that link. That link is just sitting there costing you money and will not provide a return on your investment. Study and borrow ideas from other affiliate marketers in your niche. Visit your competitor's website, subscribe to their newsletter and visit their blog. Take time to analyze how they are successfully managing to get sales. Once you have studied their techniques, try emulate them using your own affiliate links and watch your sales increase. If you are just starting out as an affiliate marketer, you should attempt to keep your campaigns small by only going with one solid product. See if you have a knack for the game or not. If you begin to make commissions on products, then you can begin to expand your presence online. But keep it small to start. The tips above should create a good foundation for you to build a marketing plan. It's really not that difficult, so join the millions who are making money in this way. The more effort you put in, the more you can make. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.